Hello, today you're looking at an HBS 800 amp 4 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Take a look at the nameplate here. Unit has been tested, checked out here at Lanco. It's in very good working condition. We'll start it up here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It does have Variac controls there on the front, as you can see. It's wired for 440 volt, 3-phase. Take a look at the inside here. Overall dimensions, 20 inches long by 30 inches wide by 38 inches high. It's rated for 7 input amps. And to start it up, you hit the green button. All the way to 800, and the volts, and the O-scope wave. Very slight, very steady. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.